Hello guys, welcome back to Lineup. For today's video, here going to show you or discuss with you how to change battery in Honeywell Thermostat. So, you might be wondering how to exactly change your batteries here on your Honeywell Thermostat. Well, the exact answer to that, it actually depends on what model you currently have. So there are different ways on changing your battery. So I'm going to give you some details here on how to exactly do that on different models. Now, the first model that you may have at your home is something or similar to this one. Now, this type of model requires you to basically look for a very specific lip at the very bottom here, which allows you to actually lift your Honeywell thermostat here. Now, in this case, you want to push up, then lift it, and usually this is what you'll be seeing at the back of it. Now, what you need to do is you just need to replace your batteries here. So in this case, this is our AA alkaline batteries that you need to do here or use here. So just make sure that you match what's inside or what type, depending on what you have right now or what type of thermostat you had. Requirements may be different, but yeah, go ahead and insert your batteries here. And what you need to do is you first need to align the top section and then gently push your Honeywell thermostat here to basically put it back in here. Now, make sure to be careful and basically not to break it. So just be careful when you're doing so. Now, another way for you to change the battery on your Honeywell thermostat here is if you have a different model that has a push button on the sides. Now, if you don't have a lip here, you may have a button here, which in this case, you need to press that and you want to go ahead and pull it in this direction. Typically, that would contain the actual batteries. Now, that's the second way. Now, the third way for you to change your batteries is this type of models here, if you have this one. Now, what you need to do is you just need to lift your cover here, and in here, you should see this section here. Now, what you need to do is you just need to look for a lip again at the very bottom, and you should be able to lift this panel, and you should be able to change the batteries at the very bottom. So yeah, so in this case, those are the ways for you to change your batteries here on your Honeywell thermostat, and that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Lenap. Thank you for watching.